Hey everyone, it's Debbie from Project 39. I want to show you a quick mini album walkthrough I made. I used the 6x6 paper pad called Just Be You, and the reason it looks funny is because I cut apart the title to use on this page. There was a page in the collection that looked just like this, and I thought I'd use that for the cover page, so I cut it apart and adhered it, and it just did not look that cool. It's supposed to be a heart, but you can't tell. So in any case, this is a small mini album. It's 5x7, so you could get 4x6 photos in here with just a little bit of cropping. Let me show you the page. All right, so room here for a photo without any problem. Obviously, that's 5x7. And then I have this little photo mat inside, and that photo mat measures 4x6. So you could put a 4x6 photo here, but you would have to cut it down a little. And here's the back of it. And what this does actually is hold this from opening up. There's a little pocket on the front. And there we go. So that the little pocket, the flap in the pocket, holds this together. And then this will open like that. And that will open like that. So there's lots of room for little photos. Now this is double matted because again I use 6x6 paper. So I wanted to make it so if you had a 4x6 photo, you could still put it on here. You wouldn't see any of the paper, but it still would fit. I would suggest though trimming down any photos that you have just so there's a nice border around it. And this was just a little cut apart. I used a punch board. I used a punch for the top. So let me take you to the next page. So there's a little library style pocket here. So that opens like that and like that. So room for journaling or a small photo. And that closes like that. And this will open this way to give you more room, again, to journal or to put photos here. And there's a little pocket with a couple of little cut-aparts in that little pocket. So again, that goes like that, and that swing tab closes. This set of pages has some pockets in it, and there's a couple of little cut-aparts inside the pockets. You could put small Instax photos on there or journaling, for instance, on this one and right here. And the reason this pocket came about is because once you cut down the 6x6 paper, you're going to have a 2-inch piece. And so that was perfect to make those little pockets. And this other page has a photo mat inside this little pocket. And here's another pocket with photo mats. There's a couple little cut aparts. Here's a larger photo mat. And again, that holds this closed, but that will open like this and like this. So lots of room for photos in that little spread. So that'll hold that in. We'll just stick that right there. And then the last page opens up like that other one did. There's a little pocket here with a little journaling card. And again, this will close like this. And room for a little photo and a little photo like there. It just is a darling little mini album. As I said, it's 5x7. So you can get most of the 4x6 photos that you have. And again, that was using this 6x6 paper pad from Echo Park called Just Be You. That's what I have for you today. Thanks for watching.